Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Christopher Vagale here from Agritech Organics Papua New Guinea Limited. Today I will be demonstrating how to connect your e-wallets, your own instance of the Kumulcoin E-Wallet onto the Kumulcoin network. We have installed a VPS which is currently live, that those with a Kumulcoin E-Wallet are able to access once opening their e-wallets and accessing that particular node, and thereby connecting to the blockchain and doing transactions. So without further ado, let's just go through now and just illustrate how this process is done. So if you like what you see today, like my channel and subscribe. In order to run your own Kumulcoin e-wallet, you will need an instance of the e-wallet itself to be running on your desktop PC. So I'm using a Ubuntu machine, so I will demonstrate how to actually turn the e-wallet on. Now before we do that, we will just SSH into our VPS. A VPS is a virtual private server. Now we have a VPS running which is holding our permanent instance of the Kumulcoin e-wallet on node. So the reason being that in order for our instance or any other instance to run, there needs to be another node online all the time. So the purpose of having a VPS is to have an instance of the Kumulcoin blockchain wallet node, whatever you may want to call it, online 24/7, available for anyone to connect to by the peer-to-peer blockchain network that we've set up. So let me just dial or SSH into our VPS to show you what the server will look like before and after we've connected to it. So let us go over to our trusted terminal. Now we're using a VPS that is from the Amazon Web Services service. We've actually created our account and we've loaded an instance of the Ubuntu server. Now the server will be holding our instance of the Kumulcoin blockchain and will serve as a node that will be running 24/7. Now let us just connect into the server like so. When you click on connect, it will give you different keys or instructions that allow you to SSH from your local machine. Now in my case, I will just simply copy these instructions, head on back to our terminal. I will have to navigate into my desktop because I've downloaded a copy of the key pairs onto my desktop, so it will confirm that the key pair is there, and it will allow us to then SSH into the VPS. So I am in my desktop and I will copy this particular command across, press enter, and then I will instruct my terminal to take me now via SSH into the VPS like so. There we go. Back like so. Get rid of the parentheses like that and press enter, and now you should take you into the VPS. There we go. So now we're in the virtual private server. This is what our VPS screen will look like. Now let me just navigate over to our blockchain, our instance of the Kumulcoin blockchain, using the following commands. Into our src folder, like so, and there is a command here to turn the server on, but we won't be using that now because the server is already running. So what I will do now is just find out some information about the node and how many blocks have been created, things like that. So we'll do that by typing this command here and then get info. Now once you've typed that out, it'll give you a reading of the version, the balance currently, how many blocks have been mined, things like that. But as you can see, the reason why I took you here was to show you this particular section here, connections. Right now, as you can see, there are no connections connected to the VPS. Okay, let us begin by running the local instance of our Kumulcoin. Okay, put that aside. Let us open another terminal. Now I've saved a copy of this in our documents folder, so let us navigate to our documents folder and into the Kumulcoin folder, like so. So we should have a Qt file there, which we have downloaded and compiled. So in order to open up our instance of the e-wallet, simply type the following instructions, and voila. Now as you can see, I've been doing some mining. I've mined coins in the value of 1,570 Kumul coin. Okay, so you will see now that immediately, because I've hard-coded the IP address of the VPS, you will see that it is ticked at the bottom there, meaning it is connected to the blockchain. And you will also be get confirmation at the bottom there where it says one active connection. Okay, if we go back to our SSH or our server, if you type out that command again, press enter, you will see that there is now one connection onto our blockchain. Okay, so I hope you can follow with me. Now we will open another instance of a new wallet, and we will run that on another machine, a virtual machine within my current hosting machine. That is also another Ubuntu PC. I will firstly log in, like so, and I have it saved on my desktop there, so I'll just navigate to my desktop, like so, and into the Kumulcoin folder, and type the same instructions to initiate our Kumulcoin file or wallet, and voila, it opens. And I've also been doing some mining on this as well. So if you just go down here, the tick is on, meaning it's found the VPS or the node, and the other PC is on that node. So if I click on here, you will see there are now two active connections to the Kumulcoin network. Okay, and we can confirm this by going into our VPS and just doing a get info, like so, and now you can see there are three connections. So the first connection being my actual host machine, which is this one here, and the other connection is from this instance of Ubuntu, which I'm running virtually on my host. Okay, I hope you're all following with me. Okay, so let's try sending a 20 Kumulcoin from my virtual machine to my actual host. I'm using this because I've actually mined a fair bit of Kumulcoin from here. So in order to do that, I just simply go to send, and I've actually saved the e-wallet address of the other e-wallet here, which is this address here. So if I go into my virtual machine, I will copy that e-wallet address, go into my e-wallet, go to send, and I paste the e-wallet address and just give it a label, say demo send, and it will indicate let's send it this other wallet 50 Kumulcoin. Once you press send, it will ask you to confirm transaction. You go yes, and at the corner there you will see that an incoming transaction for the host machine and an outgoing transaction notification for the current machine. So if we go to our overview, you will see that 50 Kumulcoin is leaving this account, and it should appear unconfirmed here in the host machine. Okay, so we're actually running this thing live right now. So there you go. Now you know how to open your Kumulcoin E-Wallet in your instance or your hosting machine, which is running an Ubuntu operating system, and you know how that will show up in our VPS when you actually activate the wallet and you send transactions. So I hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for the rest of our videos where we will be actually showing you how to create your own cryptocurrency. We've done the first video on how to set up the development environment, and there is another series, I think another 4 to 5 videos that will highlight the remaining processes. So once again, subscribe to our channel, like if you found this video informative, and thank you for watching.